Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And next, properties of determinants. Property number 5. If each element of a row or a column of a determinants be added, the equimultiple of the corresponding element of one or more row or columns, the value of determinants remains unchanged. Okay. Again, if each element of row and a column, a determinant be added, the equimultiple of the corresponding element of one or more row and columns, the value of the determinants remains unchanged. Okay. For example, let del is equal to a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3. By operation c1 plus k c3, c1 c1, c2 c2, c3 c3, r1 r1, r2 r2, r3 r3 plus anyone row and column. Okay. Del equal to something, because del 1 is equal to, by operation c1 plus k c3, c1 plus k c3, it means colon c3 multiply k. c1 a1 plus k into c3 c1, c1 a1 plus k c1. Okay. Second, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3, colon c1 colon c2 colon c3. Okay. By operation c1 plus k c3, c1 first element a1 plus c3 first element c1, k into c1. It means c1 is equal to a1 plus k c1. Okay. Again, second element a2 plus k into c3, second element c2, a2 plus k c3. Using the operation c1. Okay. It means interchange of colon c1. Last element c1 a3 plus k into c3, last element c3, a3 plus k c3, c2 c3 same to same. Okay. b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. Using the property fourth, a1 a2 a3 a1 a2 a3 is b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3 plus k c1 kc2 kc3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. Using the property fourth. Okay. Determinant a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 is equal to del. It means del plus taking out k common from c1, taking out k common from c1 colon c1, k common c1 c2 c3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. It means determinants c1 colon and colon c3 are the equal, colon c1 colon c3 equal. It means determinants is equal to 0. Using the property third. Okay. Del 1 is equal to del plus k into 0, 0. It means del 1 is equal to del. Okay. Del 1 is equal to del. It means value of the determinants remains unchanged. Okay. Last property, if each element in a row or in a column of a determinants is 0, column and row of a determinant is 0, then the value of the determinant is 0. For example, del is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 4, 5. Row R2 is 0. Row R2 is a 0. It means delta equal to 0. Okay. Property complete. And exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2, question number first. If L, M, 2, 3 is equal 0, then find L ratio M. Okay. Implies 3 into L, 3L minus 2M is equal to 0. Implies 3L is equal to 2M. Okay. Implies L by M is equal to 2 by 3, implies L ratio M is equal to 2 ratio 3. That is answer of question number first. Question number 5. Prove that one yz y plus z, 1 zx z plus x, 1 xy x plus y equal x minus y minus z minus x. Prove that determinant is equal to x minus y minus z into z minus x. Left side LHS is equal 1 yz y plus z, 1 zx z plus x, 1 xy x plus y. By property R1 operation R1 minus R2 and R2 operation R2 minus R3. Okay. Row R1, row R2 and row R3. Okay. By operation R1 minus R2 and R2 operation R2 minus R3. Okay. R1 R2 R2 minus any1 row and columns minus any1 row and columns. Okay. Is equal to operation R1 and R2. R1 minus R2, 1 minus 1, 0. YZ R1 second element YZ minus R2 second element ZX. Common Z Y minus X. Z Y minus X. Third element R1 Y plus Z minus R2 y plus 3 corresponding z plus x, z minus x, z cancel out, y minus x, it means y minus x. Okay. Again R2 operation R2 minus R3, R2 first element 1, R3 first element 1, 1 minus 1 0 R2 में zx minus r3 xy, x common z minus y, x common z minus y. Third element z plus x minus r3 x minus y, x cancel out, z minus y. Okay, row r3 same to same, 1 xy x plus y is equal to 0 minus common minus z x minus y minus x minus y, 0 minus common x into y minus z minus y minus z, 1 xy x plus y. Okay, left side, taking out x minus y, y minus z from r1 and r2. Taking out x minus y first row, x y minus z second row, x minus y first row, x minus y second row. Common from taking out x minus y, y minus z common from r1 and r2. Okay, is equal to x minus y into y minus z into 0 minus z minus 1, 0 minus x minus 1, 1 xy x plus y. Okay, on expanding along C1, on expanding along C1 is equal to x minus y into y minus z, 0 something 0 minus 0 0 plus 1 1, leaving the corresponding row and column of element 1, minus z into minus 1 plus z minus x minus 1 plus, it means minus x. Okay, is equal to x minus y, y minus z into z minus x. Left side implies left is equal to right. Okay, hence proved. Question number 5, complete. Left side, by operation r1 minus r2 and r2 operation r2 minus r3, apply the operation first and second, and taking out x minus y, y minus z common from r1 and r2, on expanding along c1, on expanding along r1 r2 r3 c1 c2 c3 anyone. Okay, is equal to x minus y, y minus z into 0 something 0 minus 0 plus 1 1, leaving the corresponding row and columns of element first, minus z minus 1 plus z minus x minus 1 plus, it means minus x. Okay, that is the answer. It means left is equal to right. Okay, next question, question number 6. Find the value of determinant del equal to, let del equal 0, b square a, c square a square b, 0 c square b a square c b square c 0. Okay, taking out a comma b comma c common from r1 r2 and r3. Okay, r1a r2b r3c r1 r2 r3 is equal to a b c 0 b square c square a square 0 c square a square b square 0. Again, taking out a square b square c square common from c1 c2 and c3 is equal to a square b square c square a b c, it means a cube b cube c cube 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. On expanding along r1, okay, a cube b cube c cube 0 into something 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 plus 1 1 minus 0. Okay, a cube b cube c cube into 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 1 1 2. It means del is equal to 2 into a cube b cube c cube. That is the answer of question number 6. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you.